February is the month of love, and that's exactly what I received from my premium box from Boxycharm. So please stay tuned till the end so I can show you guys some amazing products. Hi guys, I'm Kelsey and this is Always Sunshine, where we try to bring a little bit of sunshine to your makeup. And today we do have Boxycharm Premium for the month of February. Premium does retail for $35 and it does bring 6 to 7 full-size products. It does have an estimated value of $175 or more for the original price of the products. But before we get into those babies, I do want to remind you guys to please follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at AllwaySunshine. A little bit of love over there and a little bit of love over here. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you do like the channel. Guys, remember it is February, the month of love, so please let's show me some love. And with that being said, now let's go into these babies. So guys, as you know, Boxycharm does send us a little pamphlet. I'll be leaving my variation somewhere up in the screen so you guys can see the variation that I got. But I also did go on the internet and did a little bit more research because I did want to give you a little more in-depth analysis of the products. And another heads up, I did use a couple of these products already because I also did want to give you my honest opinion before I actually did the video of using products. So the first product I did receive, guys, was the ELEMIS Active Body Oil. This is what this beautiful product, which I did use like for the last 3 days. Heads up, I did use this one. And also, guys, I did take, like I said, a couple of notes. So if you do see me looking down, please, it's not that I'm not paying attention. I just want to read a little bit from the notes that I did right there. So this ELEMIS Active Body Oil, it is 50% off right now if you do go to elemis.com, but it does have 5 stars on their website, and the way you apply it is after a shower or a bath, with warm water, you're supposed to take a couple of the drops and actually apply it to your hands, massage your hands, and rub it in the affected area. But I do want to tell you guys, especially women, this product does say that if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, please do not use this product. And I'm going to say this again because this is very, very important. If you are breastfeeding or pregnant, please do not use this product. But going back to this product, it does retail for $63 and I've been using it for the last 3 days, exactly how it says to be used. And guys, I could tell you from the last 3 days, I did apply it in my calf area, which is the area that I have most like tiredness because, you know, the walking around and motherhood and all of this going on. To me, the problem area is my calf area. And like I said, I did apply for the last 3 days. And guys, I could tell you it's been working lovely for me. I really do feel less tension in my legs, less painfulness. I do apply it in the night, so most of the time you really do notice in the morning when you get up that you feel like your calves are tired or your back is tired, because they also do say you could apply it on your back, you could apply it on your arms. It all depends on what muscle you have tired, you could apply this baby. Now, as you can see, I was having a little bit of struggle opening it right now. No, guys, I was just showing you guys. That's what happened to me the first time I tried to open this baby. I thought that you were supposed to take the whole knob off, and it took me a couple of minutes to realize no. You just take this little bit off right here, comes right off. There it goes. And you just take a couple of them and put some drops in your hands, massage your hands, and like I said, apply it on your area. I myself will give it right now a 4 to a 4 stars because it's only been 3 days, but it has been working for me great. If any of you guys have actually used this product, I've seen on the internet that is not a new product. A lot of the people that were actually recommending it or actually giving it a lot of stars are people that actually use it for years. So I guess this product has been around for a long time. It's the first time I see it. So please leave any comments below, guys, if you are a new user of this or an old user. Next product that I did receive was the Ren Clear Skin Perfect Canvas. This is a clean jelly oil cleanser. This baby, I haven't used it. Haven't done my makeup in the last 2 days, except for today. So I will be giving this one a use tonight, but this baby is also on sale. You can get 15 to 20% off. It does have 4.7 stars and it does retail for $32. This baby right here has some points and some nutrients and products and oils that I had to write down for you guys because these babies sound great. It has metal foam seed oil, which helps replenish the skin's barrier with essential fatty acids, omega-3 and 6. It has grapeseed oil, which is known for antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. And it also has sunflower seed oil, which helps protect your natural nourishment in your skin. This baby, you can get it at usarenskin.com. And like I told you guys, it is 15 to 20% off. So go right ahead and pick up that baby. And the next product that I received was the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. This is what this baby looks like right here, guys. And this baby does have 4.6 stars in their actual website. And some of the comments that the users left was that it was easy to apply, it was long lasting, it was precise, it was highly pigmented. This baby does retail for $24. And as I said, is a dual side. So one side is a pencil and the other side is actually a gel applicator. This baby, I did use it for today's look. And guys, my honest opinion is that pencil side, I did have a couple of problems with it. This is what it actually looks like. As you can guys see, is a little broken off. When I actually tried to apply this side, firstly, to me, it wasn't that pigmented and it just kept breaking off. So I said, let me give the other side a try. And this side, which is the gel side, I am actually in love with. Like I said, I did use it for today's look. Just with one actual application, I got it all over. So to me, everything that they say, which was precise, easy to apply, long lasting, and highly pigmented, will go to the actual gel side. The pencil side, not so much for me. So out of the 5 stars for this one, I think I'll actually give it 3 because one of the sides I couldn't use. If any of you guys have had the same problems or if you actually are in love with this, please leave me any suggestions in the comments below or any comments about what your actual experience has been with the type dual side eyeliner. Next product I received, and this product I also did use it. I didn't use it today, but I used it the last 2 days, is the Bali Bomb Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. This baby does have 4.7 stars on Boxycharm. I did actually go to their website and they didn't not have a star system. So Boxycharm did, and it has 4.7 on Boxycharm. Some of the ingredients in this baby right here is sweet orange, which is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even out the skin tone. It does have coconut oil, which moisturizes for some subtle lips. And it also does have, this is a whole bunch, guys, castor oil, shea butter, rosemary, leaf oil, sugarcane extract, and many, many more. This baby retails for $33. Now, my opinion, $33 is a little bit on the pricey side for just a lip balm. But for you guys that actually like vegan products and cruelty-free products and don't care to shed out the extra bucks, this baby right here does do the job. I did use it, like I said, for the last 2 days, and I did find that my lips do feel way more neutralized, way more plump. I feel them like, full of life. But $33 is a little bit on the pricey side. But you know what, guys? Boxycharm and actually, Bali Bomb did unite together, and they do have an actual promo going on right now. So if you go to their website, which is shop.balibomb.com, for Valentine's Day, they do have a promo of 55% off. So that's maybe like, what, 15, 16 bucks, guys? So if you are interested in this product, and right now I'll give it like 4.5, because like I said, I did like the way that my lips do feel. Even 2 days after today, I did not use it and I still feel like my lips, they retain some of the nourishments that this baby brings. So for $15, $16, if you want to give it a try, for me, you should give it a try now instead of shutting out the $33. If you like it like me, maybe then you will actually purchase it. For me, it's a little bit on the pricey side, so hopefully we keep getting this from Boxycharm. The next product that I did receive for this month, guys, it is the LOVESCRIPT Décolleté, and you know my pronunciation, guys, neck cream. This baby is from Love Spirit, and it does have 4 stars also on Boxycharm. Also, their website did not have a star system, but Boxycharm did give it 4 stars. The way to apply this baby, it says use firm upward strokes on your décolleté, your neck, and your jawline at bedtime. It does have a lot of nutrients. It says nutrient-rich rice, probiotics. It has extra white truffles. It has a luxurious blend of shea butter and cocoa butter. This baby does retail for $58. This baby, I have not used it. My mother saw it and she wanted it right away. She is a little bit more on, you know, the higher spectrum of the age range. So as soon as she saw a neck cream, she wanted it. To me, guys, I think neck creams, we should start using it at our younger age because it should be able that when we're 50, 60, 70, whatever age, we want our necks to look youthful. So I'm thinking we should keep them looking youthful since the beginning till the end, not start at the end. But anyway, if we started late, hey, this is the cream to get. I haven't used it yet, like I said. It does retail for $58, but it does have 4 stars. I could not get any actual, how do you say this? Not just actual comments on this one, but they have 4 stars. Now, the last product that I did use, excuse me, that I leave today for this video, guys, I left it for last because I am totally in love with this product. I wanted to take all my energy for this product. Guys, is the Glam Glow Superfine 6-Acid Clarifying Primer. This baby, like I said, I used it today and I am totally hyped about it. Let me go to my little notes right here. This baby does have a 4.2 stars. I am a little amazed at that. I was giving it like 5 stars. Use it today. Yes, 5 stars. It says the way to apply it, take a pearl-sized amount between your fingers to activate the acid blend. Massage evenly on your face. Use last in your skin routine and before your makeup. That's exactly how I used it today. And to me, the results, like I told you guys, I gave it 5 stars. This is what the baby looks like outside the packaging. Now, it does come with a mirror, and this baby right here is the actual compact. It does come with a little spoon that I don't have right there, but right here you can see the little amount that I did take to apply on my face. This baby is also reusable. They do have refillables for $36 because this baby retails for $42. But you could get the refills for $36. You will save $6 by actually just having your little compact. Guys, you could get this baby at m.glamglow.com. And you can also get 15% off if you do go get it right now. So let's do a recap of all the products that I received for this month. Glam Glow Superfine Matte right here. We did receive the eyeliner from Tarte, the lip balm from Bali Bomb. We did receive the ELEMIS activator oil. We also did receive the neck cream. Put this down. And last but not least, we did receive the Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Cleansing Oil. Guys, so these were the 6 products that I received from Boxycharm Premium Box for the month of February. What do you guys think? Please leave any suggestions and any comments below. Also, guys, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at AllwaySunshine. A little bit of love over there and a little bit of love over here. Also, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification button, guys, because we are a monthly giveaway channel. Yes, we have a monthly giveaway currently going on. This is the link right here. So if you guys have not checked it out, please go right over and sign up for that amazing giveaway. This is Kelsey from AllwaySunshine. Please, guys, be safe. Take care. Good luck to everybody. And please do not forget these 2 videos.